Donald Trump's re-election as President of the United States in 2024 has sparked concerns about the future of the H-1B visa program. During his previous term, Trump introduced policies that made it harder for companies to sponsor H-1B workers, with the aim of protecting American jobs. Key changes to expect: stricter eligibility criteria. Trump's administration may introduce new rules that make it more difficult for companies to qualify for H-1B visas. Increased scrutiny. The administration may increase scrutiny of H-1B applications, leading to more denials and requests for evidence. Wage-based allocation system. Trump's administration proposed a wage-based allocation system, which would prioritize H-1B visas for higher-paying jobs. Restrictions on H-4 visas. The administration may try to revoke the H-4 EAD rule, which allows spouses of H-1B workers to work in the U.S. Impact on Indian professionals. Indian professionals who rely on H-1B visas for work may face new challenges under the Trump administration. The increased scrutiny and stricter eligibility criteria may lead to more denials and requests for evidence. What's next? While it's unclear what specific changes the Trump administration will make to the H-1B visa program, it's likely that the process will become more complex and time-consuming. Indian professionals who rely on H-1B visas should stay informed about the latest developments and be prepared for potential changes.